In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process to manually install the Inspired Ground Control app on your HereLink controller. For this update, you'll need a PC computer, the HereLink controller, a micro USB to USB-A data cable, and the drone, which we will power on later to check settings after the update. If your Sony ILX LR1 payload does not have a USB port at the top of the gimbal, please contact customer support for additional steps. Before installing the latest version of IGC, let's delete the old version. First, tap the All Apps icon on the bottom right corner of your HereLink's home menu. Next, press and hold the IGC app icon, choose Uninstall App, and press OK to confirm. Head to inspiredflight.com and click on the Support tab, then click on the Knowledge Base. From here, we'll navigate to Inspired Suite and how to install IGC from 1.1 and earlier. Scroll down and we'll see a download link for the latest IGC app. Download the IGC 1.2.5 APK file to your computer. Once downloaded, navigate to your computer's home folder and locate the APK file in the Downloads folder. Next, connect your HereLink to your computer using the data USB cable. A Windows PC is required for a wired connection to the HereLink. On your controller, swipe down to open the Notifications menu. Then tap Android System for more options and change the USB connection from charging this device to transfer files. Now, back on your computer, open the HereLink's Optimus drive, which appears under your Devices and Drives, and then open Internal Shared Storage. Here you'll see a few different folders. Open the Download folder. Now we'll use File Explorer to open a second window and position both windows on the desktop. Now drag and drop the downloaded IGC APK file into the Optimus download folder. Once the transfer is complete, unplug the HereLink from your computer. Next, on your controller, swipe down to open the Notifications menu again, and tap the gear icon to open Settings. Scroll down and tap Storage, then select Internal Shared Storage. Scroll to the bottom and tap Explore. Then open the Download folder. Locate the IGC APK file you just transferred. Select the latest version and follow the on-screen prompts to complete the installation. IGC 1.2.5 includes pilot authentication. Fleet managers can register their organization with Elevate and issue pilot logins. Pilots can use the same Inspired Suite credentials across Elevate, PilotGo, and IGC. New pilot authentications can be set up through Elevate. You can find a link in the description, but we'll cover this in detail in another video. For now, we can use the guest login. Enter your name and log in. Now with IGC installed and open, power on the aircraft and allow it to connect in order to verify important settings are in place. Tap on the IFT icon in the upper left corner, tap Application Settings, scroll down to Units and verify they are set up correctly to either metric or imperial. Go back to the flight screen and tap the IFT icon again. This time select Vehicle Setup, then Joystick, press Button Assignments, and ensure all buttons are correctly mapped. Inspired Flight aircraft are factory programmed as 0 for loiter mode, 1 for position hold, and 4 is the home button. To confirm the button mapping, simply press the button to see the corresponding number and its assignment. After the update, you may need to remap button assignments to restore number 4 as the RTL or home button. 0 for loiter, 1 for position hold, 4 for RTL. That's it! You've successfully installed the latest version of Inspired Ground Control on your HearLink controller. If you need additional assistance, contact Inspired Flight Customer Support.